What's going on YouTube? Welcome again to another video. So just want to give you guys a quick review of the ceramic coating that I did on the car over a month ago. So I haven't washed the car ever since, and I took the car for a drive this morning just to make sure everything's working. It's been parked for a while, and it was good. And now the car has been dirty, so now I'm cleaning it. I washed the car. I'm already done with drying it, but I want to give you guys the experience of when I was washing the car. So as soon as I got home, I pre-soaked the wheels, with wheel cleaner, just to, because I always do that to eat all the dust away, so it's easy for me to rinse it off. But as soon as I spray it on there, because I use it diluted on that spray bottle over there, all the dust just comes right off, like instantly. So I was like, I'm amazed with that one to begin with. And then as soon as I was washing the car, soaping it up, the water is so hydrophobic that it just falls right off the car. So it makes the washing process so much easier right now. Also, as well as drying the car, because you're basically pushing with your microfiber, you're just pushing the water off the car essentially, because it doesn't stay on the car. So you see that it just beads like that, like all around the car, and it doesn't stay on there. So I guess I wasn't a believer of ceramic coating before, but I guess now I am a full believer of it. So that's the result. It makes just everything easier to clean, because it doesn't bind with the car, all the contaminants. So as you can see, it's still super shiny. Since you don't have to rub as much on the car, it kind of protects the paint correction that was done alongside the ceramic coating. So I guess it works in conjunction. If you're going to do ceramic coating, that you should do paint correction first as well, unless your paint is already perfect. So there you go. It looks really, really good as the time I picked it up from the detailer. So I recommend it on the body and the wheels to get ceramic coated. Oh, and one last thing. The brakes on this car is not bad at all, right? But there is a company that has assembled a kit, like a big brake kit for the car, not ceramic, just a bigger brake kit that fills in, the gap. It's a much bigger brake, as big as the ceramic brakes on the Ferrari F430. But they're selling it for $6,000 only for the whole kit, which is amazing deal. So I was actually debating if I should spend that money to upgrade the brakes. There's nothing wrong with these brakes, but it makes a whole lot of difference with the look inside the wheel here. You see how small the brake is compared to the wheel. The ceramic brakes, the size of it fills in the whole wheel inside, and it just looks way better. I was thinking about it's gonna be Ferrari decaled and everything. They're gonna do all that. It's gonna look factory. It's just I'm just wondering if that's like a viable expenditure. I could spend it on something else much better, like an exhaust. So $6,000 for the brakes. I could actually either buy an exhaust instead, but at the same time, I already love the stock exhaust on this car. So I'm thinking the brakes would be much better, because bigger brakes will always be better than smaller brakes. And 6,000 is a bargain in relative matters to this car. A Brembo kit without the Ferrari badging or anything, because they're gonna repaint it. It's basically Brembos that they're gonna repaint and put the Ferrari logo on there. A Brembo kit is 4,000 per side, front and rear. So it's gonna be 8,000 for a set. Then this company is selling the kit for $6,000. So I'm debating on doing that. I'm not sure if I want to commit, because like I said, it's a want, not a need. So I just want it to look way better. I was thinking about yellow calipers too, so it's gonna be a big brake kit with yellow calipers, so it's just gonna look so much nicer than the red on red, in my opinion. So let me know what would you guys do if you were thinking about something like that, or should I just forget about it and spend it on my next car? So yep, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.